Hello guys, today we're going to be playing Minecraft in a game in Minecraft. So yeah, I know you guys like a lot of Minecraft. I'm talking to you young audiences and teenage audiences and whatever you are. You could be an alien, a gender, I don't know. So we're going to do 100 days hardcore. This will be split into every single episode. A bit like that. So please, I'm begging, have a good spawn. Good spawn. I'm begging this game to have a good spawn. As soon as I get in this game, I will do what everyone does. Mine dirt. I'm joking, mine trees. So, guys, join the channel by liking, subscribing, notifications on, and so all of that, you can help me. You can also know every time I make a video, because who wouldn't? So now we just loaded in the game. Yes, I know you all have to appreciate the Fortnite skin. Yes. And then I'm just going to go down. By the way, I'm in hardcore. So if I die, I'm dead. Forever. So I just need to make sure not to die. And I'm a noob at Minecraft, so I'm dead. I'm extra dead then, I'm already dead. I hear a cow mooing. There's a thing called meat in this game. Don't worry, I already know that. Yeet, yeet, a time for a yeet, and then maybe add some yeet on top of that wheat. Time to do that. What should I make? A sword. I mean, there's that and an axe. Good enough. I can see over there there's something. There's just a dark woods over there. Some turtles. What a lovely place to set up spawn. I mean camp. I think I should pretty much stay here. What do you guys think? Do a comment if you want me to move places, stay here, yada 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 yada. And you guys can choose what I do. You can make, if you want, which other has the most likes, like if it's like build a cave or something like that. Build a cave. Why would I do that? I forgot this. Eat, 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 eat. Okay. Would this be a good area? Over there there's something. Nah, but I don't need it. I'm just going to do a nice little survival world. Hardcore, I should say. This is going to be like a nice bungalow. Because who doesn't like a bungalow? Everyone. Me. Yeah. I like bungalows, so I'm just going to keep it this nice bungalow type. And then I'm probably going to do like a, maybe already have a crafting table. A door, would that be nice? Please give me a door, birch door, thank you. Yeet, yeet. And then over here, maybe I can do an escape door if like a zombie or a predator or some mice, I don't know, comes along and decides, hey, I'll eat you. Yeet. I need more wood. So guys, I'll just get a lot of wood. So guys, I just collected 36 wood. Yes, so impressive. In literally 3 seconds. So I'm just going to finish building the house and then I can maybe go mining. Yeet. But guys, we're so close to 500 views. And after that, there's going to be something cool. I know it's not subscribers, so legitimately it doesn't really count. But please guys, just subscribers now. Or viewers, I don't mind. Fish. Yeah, I need more wood. Time to mine some more wood. What is wood? Is wood just wood, or is wood? People in the comments right now. Why? Just what is wood? I wonder how Mojang did this so fast. How much do you want to bet Mojang is the best player? I would say a lot, because he is one of the... If you're the creator, then you're probably the best player. I'm not talking about you, Fortnite. Yeah, sorry. So I'm just going to finish building up my house, and then I can head into some mining to enjoy some mining. Yeah, I just did the trick. I'm a pro Minecrafter. Joking. Okay, time to just do this. It'll be a nice little, like, beach house. Just yeet. Time for a bit of this. I'd say this looks so nice. I'm just going to do this. Like the pyramid. Yeet. Time for more yeets. Okay, I may run out of wood. I really hope I don't run out of wood. What if I just now do a bit of this. Yeah, I'm a very bad builder. Then jump down. The occasional hurt. Yes, of course, that's how you build. I need to learn to build. And we're already 7 minutes and 30 seconds in. I just literally need one piece of wood. One piece. How do I just want one piece of wood. Come on. Just that piece. Just that piece. I need food, honestly, because I'm starving in the game. So, chicken time soon. Actually, I should probably go mining. Time to just do this. I'll do just a window, like, just do this a bit. I like this to have a lot of room and air and something else. Okay, just some wood. I should probably play more Minecraft because you guys enjoy it a lot when I do, probably. Not sure. Of course I'm sure, because why would I be making a video if I'm not sure? I'm just gonna get a lot of birch trap tools. Perfect. Now just building hacks right now. They should be called building hacks. I'm joking. This is going to be called hardcore. I'll just guys do it again when I'm done. Hello guys. Well, I just finished everything. Boop. 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 Yeah. But now it's almost night time. So time to go mining. Yes, when it's night time you go mining. I need to learn that. Actually, I could do a nice little fall out of this. Time to just get some more of this lovely wood. Or is this wood? I don't know what's wood anymore. I should just cover this up. How do you even make sandstone? I need to know how to make sandstone. Isn't sandstone? Yeah, I just sand. Okay, just time to make lots of different changes. I have to just do all of this. I'll see you guys when it's done. So yeah, I just almost filled in everything. So I just need to go even deeper, like this. Why am I even doing this? I'm just going so deep. Look how deep I'm going. I'm probably under deep level right now. Honestly, I'm just making something so small and deep and cramped. I just realized I'm under sandstone. Time to just do some sandstone. Time just to do that. Just getting free sandstone. I did some ASMR for you guys. Yeah, just ASMR. I'm gonna be so quiet in this video. Well guys, it's almost the end of the video. So guys, have a good day and make sure to subscribe. Bye!